and the FPL Clinic today. We are building up to something nice. Remember that we have midweek action as well. There's midweek action after these round of games. So it's likely for you to consider it as a double game week, so think of it as such. Let's recap a couple of things that happened quickly over the previous weekend, where Chelsea decided to do a remontada and came back to beat the team West Ham by 3-2. They were down by 2-0 at halftime, and then went back into the game second half and did something really exciting. Liverpool actually also beat all their doubters by silencing them with that emphatic win over Newcastle 4-1. It ended in that one. Ekitike had exciting goals in here. I'm mentioning some names, so take note of them. Ekitike had exciting games here. And also consider Bruno. Bruno has now been playing in a certain position which allows him to be providing a lot of assists. And he's been touted as possibly being able to break that assist record which has been created in the EPL by the men. Yes, Kevin De Bruyne. But we'll see how that happens. Haaland actually came back and actually recorded an assist versus Spurs, but it was his sixth goalless game in the last 7 game weeks. Now, let's get into games that you should target for the weekend. Chelsea versus Wolves is a game that you need to target because any team that plays Wolves, it's a game that if they have very, very potent attackers and sharp midfielders, you could take advantage of. So look at certain Chelsea players and look at how you could take advantage of that game. Let's get into some player recommendations, and the first player I would recommend is the resurgent Joao Pedro. Yes, resurgent Joao Pedro. I'm being tempted to do something, but I'll keep it that way. So resurgent Joao Pedro. Chelsea play Wolverhampton Wanderers, Leeds, and then Burnley next. All winnable games to continue the reign or the unbeaten league reign of their coach. That is Liam Rosina. And the man, Joao Pedro is someone you should consider in that regard. Also consider Igo Thiago, who plays or applies his trade for the team. Brentford, yes, Brentford play Newcastle, but we know how Newcastle's defense has been recently. Arsenal, they can actually ruffle feathers with them as well, and he has been scoring for fun. He's the second highest scorer in the league this season. And one thing you need to put into priority this weekend is, number one, everyone should be good for an Arsenal triple players in your team. Yeah, so have triple players, from Arsenal in your team, because at this point they are running away with the league and playing in a very defensive mode. With City playing Liverpool this week, it could be an opportunity to get creative with your captains. That is what takes me to captaincy options. Look at the man, Bruno Fernandes. Bruno Fernandes playing for the team Manchester United. They play against Tottenham Hotspur, West Ham, and then Everton. He has been playing very, very beautifully. He has had 5 assists and 32 FPL points in the last 4 games. So imagine that being multiplied by 2 for your captain. And also another player, normally I don't like to consider defenders, but looking at how shrewd Arsenal have been with their defense, Gabriel Magalhaes is one person you can consider. Sunderland have not been the same since the absence of their key man. He's not their striker. He's the man who pulls all the strings in midfield for them. That is Xhaka. Xhaka has been out injured for a bit, and Sunderland have not been the same. So you can actually consider the man for this week. That is Gabriel Magalhaes. And quick differentials for you. If you've not got Ekitike in your team, you can consider him. You can also consider Elliot Anderson. He's coming back into his stride. Somerville. Yes, Somerville has really picked form after the whole FA Cup weekend. And certainly James Hill, he plays for Aston Villa. Yes, James Hill. James Hill is one player you actually could consider in that regard. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that's as far as that is concerned with regards to FPL Clinic.